And so Kay went to work. She took her embroidery machine and she went to factories where they had the machinery capable of producing stabilizers. And she sat down with the manufacturers and the chemist, and they figured out formulas for adhesives and for water solubles and for dissolvables, and it had to work. And it had to work without you having to keep an alcohol swab close to your machine so you could keep the glue off the needle. We didn't want that. We wanted it to be perfect. And so this lady went to work day and night, and we produced a line of products that would work for the home sewing industry, the home embroiderers themselves.
And work for me. That was probably the best thing, is because we were right there alongside you, because we have such a love of the sewing industry, and I mean, I grew up in the industry. I would say you did too.
Absolutely.
And so we just had this great love of the sewing industry.